Hello students, welcome back. Today I'll be introducing you to the paper Research Methodology and Statistics. This course is Core Paper 11 NC3 offered during the third semester of your PG program on MSc Home Science. It is offered as 6 hours per week, 90 hours per semester, and it adds up to 5 credits. Well, the objectives of the course are to make you understand the significance of research methodology in home science research, and also make you understand the types, tools, and methods of research, and develop the ability to construct data gathering instruments appropriate to research design. The course outcome include the students will be able to define the objectives of research and identify research problem, apply sampling techniques in data collection, formulate research hypothesis, design, and conceptual framework, differentiate variable types and statistical measures, demonstrate application of digital tools in statistical analysis, display skills in writing research report, and develop interest for future research activities. Does it sound too much for you, going above the head? Don't worry. I'll be there to facilitate easy learning of the program. Here's the syllabus. In Unit 1, the fundamentals of research such as meaning, objectives of research, types of research, advantages and limitations of research will be introduced to you, and also the steps in research process such as identification of a research problem, devising a research question, objectives of the study, defining variable types will also be introduced to you, and data gathering instruments such as observation method, questionnaire, interview, case study, home visits, and their reliability and validity measures will also be introduced to you. In Unit 2, specifically the research methods would be introduced, types of sampling, data collection techniques, sampling methods, sample size, scales of measurement, primary and secondary data, statistical techniques such as non-parametric and parametric tests will be introduced, and also the principles behind the types of research design will also be elaborated. In Unit 3, description of variables such as categorical, numerical, frequency distribution, percentage, proportions, ratios, and rates will be elaborated. Tabulation of data for easy understanding, statistical measures to understand the meaning or value of the data, and the measures of dispersion, all these will be explained in detail. In Unit 4, formulation and testing of hypothesis, which is the backbone of any research activity, will also be explained by means of correlation analysis and regression analysis. In Unit 5, tests of significance such as hypothesis testing and sample testing, chi-square test, one-way, two-way ANOVA, etc., and the application of computers in statistical analysis will be explained. And finally, how to write a research report will also be explained in detail with samples. So that's it. This is the syllabus for NC3, and these are the references that are advised for you in this syllabus. The textbook that we follow for you would be the one written by Vijayalakshmi ma'am and Sivapragasham. It's titled Research Methods, Tips and Techniques. And you can also follow the third reference book called Research Methodology, Methods and Techniques, third edition, written by Kothari and Garg. The PDF version is also uploaded in the platform, so you can make use of that. Apart from that, you also have open educational resources as mentioned here. You can use the links and you can go there and find enough material for your references. So that's it. Kindly take the lessons as and when uploaded in the portal and complete all assignments in time. This is a kind request from me. Happy learning!